Hello everyone. So today I have this Coconix Leather Care Pro. Actually, I have tear in my car's leather car seat, and I was looking to see if I can fix that on my own. And I bought this from Amazon. Let's see what I got in the box. Again, like my other videos, I'm making this video to show you what to expect when you buy something. I bought this from Amazon. It says professional leather and vinyl repair kit. It says as good as new. I'll find out if it is gonna be as good as new. As you can see, it shows chairs, leather chairs, bag, furnitures, jackets, shoes, car seats. I guess you can fix those with this. Have some colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 10 colors they sent me. Looks like a mixing cup, container, whatever you want to call it. Thank you card. And the instruction. And color mixing guide too. Okay, this is all. This is what you get when you buy Coconix Leather Care Pro kit. Alright, thank you for watching. Again, like and subscribe to my channel if you like the video. And stay tuned. I'll be making more videos as I buy stuff online and as I open the box. Thank you very much for watching. You have a good day or good night wherever you are. Bye bye.